So guys, I'm gonna show you on how I made the library system management. So first we're going to create a login form, and then search for panel, and after just resize it like that. Just like that. Yeah, like that. And then search for text box for inputs, of course, text box 2, and a label, label 2. And just rename the label 1 to username, and label 2 to password. And after, search for button for login and cancel. Cancel. And after, go to your SQL Server management and then create a new database. And let's name it live system. Okay. And create a new table. New table. And let's give it a ID of ID account, the column name of ID account, and I think integer, yeah, int. And then the username, and varchar, of course, password, and privilege, of course, if it was an admin or a client. And then after, just close it to save. Click yes, and let's name it. No. Let's name it as account for user account, and then hit OK. And refresh the table folder. Right click and edit top 200 rows. So yeah. And then go back to your Visual Studio. Search. Create a new form. The main form. And then click the button cancel, and let's give it me.close. To close it, if we click on this button, on this cancel button, and go to button 1, and let's import first the SQL client, data.SQL client. Perfect. And then let's make a variable of connection, SQL connection, as new SQL connection. SQL con is equals to new SQL connection. SQL connection string is equals to server database and the integrated security is equals to true. And after, go back to your SQL for the name of the database. Get the name of your database, the live system, copy it, and then paste it in here. Paste. And then the server name, go back to your SQL. Copy the SQL name, the server name. And then paste it in here. And SQL connection that open the connection. And then let's try it. Variable theme L adapter as new SQL data adapter name L table as new SQL data table, L adapter. Select command to select which table we're going to select. Create command. That select command. That command text is equals to select as account table, that username, the column, and as account password. Table name, no, my bad. Table name, and then the column name. As account that privilege from as account, the table name, where as account that username is equals to text box 1. That text. So the name of the text box is text box 1. We didn't change it, so you're going to put it as text box 1. And after, type in L adapter that select command that execute non-query. L adapter that fill L table. Then let's use if else here. if the table is correct. If that index 0 is correct, then this will go into execute. And then the second one is the text box 2, the password. If it's right, then it will execute. It will give the output. Then EID. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't make a variable for this. Just give it a variable. Public integer. Just follow me. Else. Connection. Close. To close the SQL connection if it's true. And then the main form will show. Main form that show. And then start. So we don't have a user. So first go to your SQL and edit and give it an ID and username. Josh. Better. And password 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a privilege of admin. And then close to save it. And then refresh. And edit top 200 rows. And after, go back to your app, the form 1, and then type Josh, the username, no, Josh, and the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, the main 4 shows. So that's how you'll make a login form. If you like this video, just click the subscribe and the bell notification button. Until next time, thank you guys.